What's up guys, welcome back to the S3 Magazine YouTube channel. We're here at Dash Autosports with Jason Owens. You might recognize Jason Owens because he did pretty much all of the work on the Type-R from the Motovicity series originally. He was with USR, United Speed Racing, before that. Since then, he has now branched out on his own, started his own business, Dash Autosports here. Where are we? Gainesville, here in Gainesville, Georgia. Dash is basically a wrenching coaching program. If you want to be a race car driver, Jason's the man to come to build your car and teach you just how to do that. But today, as you can see, we have the Type-R on the lift.
So originally we just put Whiteline lowering springs on the car, and they worked really well for what we were trying to do, because we were trying to build this car super fast and get it out there to be competitive with a bolt-on mods basically. But now that we have the car back and we're not really on any stringent timeline, I want to take it a step further. Our buddies over at KW gave us the new V3s, which just came out. Should give us a lot more adjustment points. So we're going to really be able to kind of dial the suspension in the way that we actually want it, instead of being pigeonholed to, you know, just what lowering springs can do for us. We got it done pretty quick. I mean, all in all, we messed around a lot. We ate some food, and it still only took, you know, probably less than 4 hours if you really total it all out. Everything's good. Again, it was the KW V3s. We're gonna go drive it around a little bit, let everything settle down, then go get an alignment, and then I think we might go try to do a track day here sometime soon to see what the real difference is.
On public streets, you're really not gonna see what these KWs are really capable of. What you really gotta do is a track day. Mike's down for it, so I think him and Jason are gonna go out and have some fun in the Type-R, so you will see that in another video soon. We'll see you next time. Have a good one. Check us out, s3mag.com, all the social medias, S3 Magazine. Dash Autosports, he did all the work on the car. He has done all the work on the car. He's a cool guy. If you need any coaching or race car work done, Dash Autosports.